Did you just say? Who taught you that word? Where did you hear it? Where did you hear that word? Is that a bad word or a good word?
Good word.
Do we say that in the house? Do we say it anywhere?
Oh, popcorn.
Is it a mean word or a nice?
Popcorn.
Oh, you found popcorn in your crib?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know how old it is, but enjoy.
Emmy.
All right. Stand up. Shake. Sing the alphabet.
A, B, C, D, H, F, G.
H. Keep going. Sing the alphabet. Can you sing the alphabet again? Ari.
A, B, C, D, H, G.
H, I.
K, O, P. Two M's.
Q. Q.
Two M's.
Sing the alphabet. Come on.
Q,